Hey guys, Mr. Goochee coming at you with another chemical reaction video. This time, we're going to be discussing the chemical reaction between pure sodium metal and water. So let's get to it, all right? All right, folks, so here on this plastic tray, we have a hunk of pure sodium metal. All right, now you might be familiar with sodium, okay? Like if you have a high blood pressure, you shouldn't be ingesting too much sodium. Sodium content is something older people have to look out for. But that is sodium when it's attached in a compound with chlorine, aka sodium chloride or salt. Pure sodium is its own substance. It's an element and it's very, very different. All right, one of the features of pure sodium is that it is so soft, one of the softest metals, that you can actually just cut it with a knife as if it were like a hard cheese. And take a look, I exposed like a metallic looking surface on the inside. Another feature of sodium is that it is incredibly reactive. You might notice this kind of waxy, greasy gunk on the surface of it. Well, let me tell you, when we store sodium metal, we store it in a container of greasy gunk, mineral oil to be precise, because it is incredibly reactive and it reacts with things like the oxygen in the air or water molecules. So when we have to store this stuff, we have to submerge it into an oil that prevents it from reacting. And so it forms this kind of greasy coating that actually protects it and protects us, okay? So this is pure sodium metal. Very similar to metals, okay? Again, it is reflective, all right? It is malleable, very soft, all right? Conducts electricity, but it is also incredibly reactive. And so we are going to combine a bit of this sodium metal with the water right here. Now, when we combine sodium metal with water, what happens is water molecules will break apart and part of the hydrogen will fly off of the water and form hydrogen gas, which is an explosive gas. And the remainder of the water molecule, oxygen and a hydrogen, will combine with the sodium to make sodium hydroxide. Okay, now that's also a pretty dangerous compound. Sodium hydroxide is what most drain cleaners are made out of. It is a very powerful base that has the ability to dissolve organic matter. Okay, so I'm going to put the rest of these sodium hunks, all right, back in the storage container so that they don't get exposed to any possible water splashes. That would be terrible, terrible. All right. Get in there. Okay, clink. And now I am going to combine this sodium into this water, okay? And I'm going to put this little cap over top of it to hopefully prevent any sputtering pieces of sodium from flying out. Okay, so here we go, guys. I made a new camera holder out of Legos. Let me position the camera right here. Nice. And I'm going to combine the sodium metal with the water. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Mask down. Now you can instantly see it. As soon as it hits the water, it starts to react. And one of the things it's producing as it reacts is hydrogen gas. Let's take a look. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, yeah, just lit that hydrogen gas on fire. Now this might seem pretty mellow, guys, but I have an alternate version of this video in which I put a bit too much sodium into this water. And, well, here's the results on the table over here. Maybe I'll post that video a little bit later. All right, guys, so cool. So we're going to be discussing this chemical reaction this week. All right, have a good day.